Hey guys, LaMonster here at LaMonster Garage, and we're going to do a little video of how to install the Showchrome trunk shock. And this has been a problem uh, from day one, really. The factory shock just doesn't seem to hold up. This is a 2020 RT, and it probably took about a year before the shock wore out, but it did wear out and wouldn't hold the trunk up anymore. If you add a rack to the top of the lid, it's going to be the same kind of problem. Um, so this is actually a stronger shock. I don't know how much stronger, but it will hold up the trunk lid with a rack on it. Um, this will work on the 2020 on up RT, and same with the F3. And they both share the same trunk. So we're going to just get into it, show you the install. It's really pretty simple, but having a video always makes it easier. So we'll go from here. Obviously, you're going to want to raise your trunk up, and we've got the Showchrome trunk organizer here. Got to pull that off, and I'll give you a little light here just so you can see what's going on. So you got a screw here that comes off. This holds the seat, the backrest. Got another screw here. So those are the two that we're taking out. It's a T20 is what you need. So it's a Torx 20. And so that's this guy right here. And this is going to give us access to the shock. Okay. So that's all that secures this. So basically, to get it off, it's just a matter of lifting it up, like so. Set that aside. And here's your shock right here. So it's kind of hard to tell, but basically you got a little clip, this little clip here. You're going to want to take a screwdriver and just pop that out, and that will release the bottom. So might be better off from top. Just pop that out, and then that allows the bottom to come out. So you can see it's got a little ball there, and that's what you're trying to do, is get it off that ball. So now you need to lift it up high enough to get to the screw that holds the top, and that's a 5mm Allen. Pull this bolt out. All right, and then out comes the shock. Put it down this way. So now you're just going to reverse that. Let's see, that's got to clock like that. So you're going to have it, so this is facing this way, and this is 90 degrees from that. Whoa. Gonna lose it. Change my tool up here. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure on that. You just want to snug it up. Make sure the shock moves freely. Okay, I'll come around here, and then basically you're going to line this ball up, this socket up with the ball. You see that right there, and just push it on, and that's done. So now check operation while you still got it here, make sure everything works right. But that's all there is to it, and put your backrest back on, obviously. But it's something that they had a little teaser telling us they were coming out with that, and we put these on pre-order. And I don't remember how many pre-orders we had, but we had a ton of them. And this is turning out to be a very popular item, priced reasonably, and it's better than the OEM shock. So check it out, and you can get this from Showchrome. We also would like you to get it at the Monster Garage, but you can get it wherever you need to, and it works. So thanks, guys.